So this is the next question on your test. So copy the question and solve it yourself, and then look for my solution. Convert the following angles to nearest tenth of a degree. So we have here A, 1 radian. You have to convert this to degrees. 2.0944 radians, 1.0471 radian, and 2.3562. I have not written radian here, but if I don't write any unit, it has to be radian. You remember, radian is a ratio, right? So it really is not a unit. So radian or no radian written there, it means radian. Okay, so that's the default unit for the angle. Correct? Now, how to convert radians to degree? You know that 2 pi is one full circle, which is equals to 360 degrees, right? So 2 pi radians, I'm not writing radians, it is understood. So 2 pi is equals to 360 degrees. If I divide both sides, which means one full circle, right? Now, if I divide both sides by 2, I get pi equals to 180 degrees. And that is the relation which I am going to use here to convert radians to degrees. Now, since I want degrees, so I'll convert units like this. 1 radian times, I want degrees, right? So I'll write degrees on the top. I'll multiply by 180 and divide by pi radians, okay? I wrote radian on purpose this time so that I can show you that I'm cancelling out radian, and I'm left with degrees, right? Now you can use your calculator and then write down the answer, which is 180 divided by pi, 57.29. So I'm just writing 2 decimal places now and then round it to the 10th. So we get 57.29, which will be rounded to 57.3. So remember, 1 radian is 57.3 degrees, you know, that is what it is. Now for rest of them, you can do in a similar fashion. So basically what you will do is, you'll write down your radian angle like this, and then multiply by 180 degrees and divide by pi radians, right? So I've not written radian here. Let me write and then cancel this out. I'm doing so that you can always remember when to multiply by a factor of 180 degree by pi and when to reverse it, right? I've seen students getting confused over it so many times, and that is the reason I'm writing it here for you so that you understand how to write this formula. So this formula is 180 degrees over pi radians if you want degrees as your final units, since by doing so you cancel out the radians and you are left with degrees. Do you understand? Here no units are given, therefore this is by default degrees, correct? So use your calculator and then write this, convert this to degrees. That is how you're going to do it. Okay, thank you.